Древната индиска наука за здравието, Ayurveda, е присутна и во Македонија. Аюрведата користи исклучиво 100% хербални производи без никакви додатоци, додека терапиите се изведуваат од обучени физиотерапевти под надзор на доктор Паван Мадан. Аюрведата може да помогне во подобрување на целокупното здравје на човекот, од тешки хронични заболувања па се до обични акутни заболувања. Но сепак, најголема успешност Аюрведата има во превентивното делување на здравието на човекот. Аюрведски центар Планет Аюрведа.
Во претходните неколку емисии имавте прилика да ја запознаете древната индиска медицина Аюрведа. Во продолжение ќе имате можност да видите на кој начин оваа медицина се справува со аутизмот. Може ли да ми кажете нешто повеќе за аутизмот?
Yes. Autism is a developmental defect. It is basically it is a collection of disorders. In this disorder, in these type of disorders, there is a maldevelopment of the brain. Some parts of the brain are not properly developed, due to which the child in the first 3 years, he starts to having symptoms before 3 years. Due to the non-development of some parts of the brain, he starts developing some symptoms. Basically, there are 3 types of symptoms in this group of diseases. One is impairment in the social behavior. The child does not like to interact with the other people. He tries to live alone. He does not respond to if we call him by the name. He does not understand what the other is trying to make him understand. This is like he is involved in himself and is not interacting with the other people. The other symptom in these type of disorders is the lack of communication. Most of the time the child is not communicating with other people, maybe verbally or maybe normally. If someone is trying to say him something by pointing a finger, he is not understanding to what the other person is pointing to, but he will be just staring at the finger. So these type of symptoms are there in these type of disorders. The third type of symptoms is the repetitive behavior. The child in these type of disorders keeps on doing some repetitive behavior, like he will be involved in making his toys in a linear line, and he will be doing this type of behavior again and again. Some of the symptoms in this are like he will be moving his head again and again in one direction. He will be moving his hands and again in one direction. So these are the type of symptoms which our child is having. We should think of it can be a case of autism.
Како го третирате аутизмот?
We are here in Planet Ayurveda with our team. We are treating this disease, this disorder, autism. Usually it is also called autistic disorders. We have some beautiful herbs, like one is called Brahmi, other is Ashwagandha, other one is named as Tagar. We have one other thing, Jatamansi. These are the herbs which affect on the brain. They go to the brain. They help the child to develop. Especially this is the herb which is called Brahmi. It has been there has been an extensive research on this. It has been proved to increase concentration, memory, development, power of discretion, power of decision. So we are using these type of herbs. We have some special herbal combinations which is called memory support and the stress support. we are using according to the situation in different type of cases. So we are having very good and encouraging results. There is a technique which is called Shirodhara, which is a special technique in which a continuous flow of oil is maintained on the forehead for a particular period of time, for particular days. This kind of treatment, it generates some signals to the brain, and the brain automatically starts changing its structure, starts changing its functioning, it's improving. So we are using this technique. This is called Shirodhara. This is the special Ayurvedic Panchakarma technique. By these methods, by these herbs and by these techniques, we are able to achieve very good results in combating this type of diseases which are called acoustic disorders.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.